Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd request you to please click on the subscribe button immediately. For today's recipe, I'm going to take 250 grams of squids. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, also half teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm now going to mix this well and leave it for marination for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, as you can see here, the squids is marinated really well. I'm then going to add half a glass of water to kadai and add the squid to this water. As you can see here, the spices have mixed very well with the water. I'm now going to switch on the stove and boil this for a period of 5 to 6 minutes. While that boils, I'm going to then take another pan, and to this pan I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 6 peppercorn, about 7 chopped garlic. I'm then going to stir this well until this gets nice and brown. As you can see here, the garlic is almost becoming nice and brown. I'm now going to add 4 medium-sized chopped onions. I'm then going to stir this well with the rest of the spices. In the meantime, in the other pan you can see that the squid has left out some water of its own and it's boiling really nicely. After about 5 minutes here, I'm now going to remove the squids and keep it aside, since if I continue to cook it, it's going to become really rubbery and become really hard. While I'm going to be removing the squids here, I'm not going to switch off the flame. I'm going to continue cooking the water here, since I want this masala to be added to the dish later on. As you can see here, I've removed all the squids and I'm now going to continue boiling the water. In the other pan, the onions have been frying for 3 minutes here. Now I'm going to add 3 sliced green chilies, and along with that, a bunch of curry leaves. After adding the curry leaves and the green chilies, I'm now going to mix it well with the rest of the onions. After mixing it well, I'm then going to add half teaspoon of salt to the onions. After 4 minutes, I'm then going to add the squids to the dish. I'm then going to mix this really well and switch the flame from medium flame to high flame here. After mixing the onions with the squids, you have noticed in the other pan that the water, the masala in the other pan has reduced a lot. At this point of time, I'm then going to add the masala from that pan into this pan. After adding all the masala here, I'm then going to mix the masala, the onions and the squids really well. I'm then going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'm then going to add lime juice of half a lime to it. And lastly, along with the lime juice, I'm going to add a bunch of coriander leaves to it. After adding the lime juice and the coriander leaves, I'm going to mix this dish really well. I'm now going to cook this for another 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I'm now going to switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.